Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar XF cabin filter. First, you'll need to locate the glove box and carefully remove its lower trim panel. Make sure you have a T20 Torx driver and your new cabin filter ready. It's also important to ensure the ignition is completely off before you start working to prevent any electrical issues. This simple maintenance can greatly improve your car's air quality. Now, with the trim panel removed, you'll see the retaining fasteners holding the glove box. Use your T20 Torx driver to unscrew these. Once the fasteners are out, gently lower the entire glove box assembly. This will give you clear access to the cabin filter housing. You'll then need to unclip the cover of this housing to finally reveal the old, dirty cabin filter inside. Before you pull out the old filter, take a moment to note its airflow direction. There's usually an arrow indicating this. Carefully remove the old filter and then insert your new one, making sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction. Once the new filter is seated properly, securely reattach the filter housing cover. This step is crucial for a tight seal. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lift and secure the glove box back into its position, then reinstall all the trim panels you removed earlier. Make sure everything is firmly in place. Once done, turn on your car and test the air conditioning system to ensure it's working correctly and circulating fresh air. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers. Your car will thank you for the fresh air.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.